Let's do the song. Figure out which song we should do. Let me just scroll. Oh, I think it should be Blood in the Water. Don't ask why. It's just one of my favourite songs that I know the chorus of. So let's do that. Okay? I'm not guessing much of it, but whatever. Whatever breaks you, lamp to the saddle. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water.